Loved it amazing. The staff was nice, the room was clean overall. It's a nice hotel, would recommend, 100. Outstanding, very lovely in every way. Elegant and comfortable, we thoroughly enjoyed the hotel. Great breakfast in their cafe. Comfortable beds. Friendly staff. Great location. Really nice hotel. Large spacious rooms, clean, great service. What's not to like? Shopping and restaurants close by. If you get a room on the parking lot side, you won't be bothered by the noise of the 5 freeway. Exceptional, great location and cute place to stay. Nice place visiting Laguna Beach, and it was 15 minutes to the beach without any traffic or tolls if used La Paz to Crown Valley to PCH. Easy access. The Hills Hole is just off the ramp of I-5 exit 89. The parking is self-park and spacious. No front door attendant, but you can ask for help if you drive up to the lobby. The staff members were friendly, and the lobby is small but comfortable. Since it's the conference site, it's really convenient staying there, and I enjoyed it. There were still some points that the hotel can improve, though. During a break at the conference, I went to check-in at 3 p.m., but the room wasn't ready. I went back for more meetings and went back for check-in at 4:45 p.m. The room wasn't ready. The lady was so kind to find me other available rooms, and I was finally settled at room 303 at 5 p.m. The room was spacious and clean. Some minor problems still existed. The safe didn't work. I tried to call the front desk to ask for the time of checkout and found out the phone didn't work. There were no toothbrush and toothpaste. The air conditioner fan was noisy. If you turned it off, the traffic of I-5 was really loud.